Yes, that is right. And obviously, both teams, let's take a look at this once again.
Ito yung titina eh.
Oo, na sinasabi niyang check.
Double check here.
Better angle.
Tingin mo, honestly.
Very close eh. Hindi,
Ah,
kasi alam mo yung check na yan, kahit the please lang eh, ng daliri,
it
check
should
pa
be.
rin.
Should
Yes.
be. Eh, hindi pa natin na
Pero in real time, syempre, mahirap din talaga for the referees to see kung yung check na the please lang.
But you know the technology, I'm sure Mikasa will invent one wherein may beeper yan in the future. Makita mo.
May ilaw, ano?
Manabat keeps it afloat. 12-6 count. Tobido drops it inside. Ruby says no way. In the meantime, to Roses. Tina Salak recycles. Tubino is caught by the net.
Royce, strike. No approach on that last try. Naubusan na espasyo, hindi naka-atras.
Now, if your Army want to calm down here, you want to chill,
right.
because you don't want the officiating to bother you. Valdez fires, and it's off the hands of Santiago Manabat.
Once again, just too many errors on the side of the Lady Troopers.
5 straight points ever since Valdez has been serving there. And some changes. Gonzalez Bautista coming in.
Palit lang ng diskarte. Eliza Valdez still on the line.
Manabat is the target.
Ayan na naman. Pangalawa na. Nakakuha na ng puto si Eliza pagdating sa serbisyo. Sabi ni Dinin, isa pa.
6 straight points now. It was 9-6 earlier.
Napakaganda naman talaga ng serve nito si Eliza. Of course, Eliza Valdez just
parang spike na eh.
Oo. Yung attack kagad eh from the line. And just a wall on the side of PLDT.
You know, PLDT has found their youthfulness again, no? They are firing at all cannons. Back in a moment. Set of game number 2 of the finals. Biggest League Open Conference for 2015. Oh, Bautista, the blocking of PLDT simply impeccable here in the first set.
That's right. It's so precise and kahit na sino ang pumalo, bantay na bantay. So they're so committed in blocking that it's really working for PLDT.
For fun, family, and pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Wow, talagang target niya si Dindin, ano? Samantala Bautista got it into the corner.
That's right. Nene Bautista, remember, she was our best player of the game in game number 1.
Watch this. PLDT Homotera Ultra Fast Spike, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Ganda ng down the line hit ni Nene.
Nene, maasahan pa rin dyan sa down the line na yan. Eh? In the meantime, here comes the ageless, really ageless, Gin Bowser.
An overreaching violation called against Dindin. At minsan na, kasi ganyan talaga na-excite ka minsan. Pero syempre, pag nakita ng setter yun sa kabila,
kailangan mabilis
lang, isiset lang yung bola.
Kailangan mabilis at a certain point, palalampasin mo konti sa net.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng nandun pa sa kabilang side. Upakan mo na, galit ngayon si Dindin, pumalo. Antonio reaches for it. Ruby De Leon jump set. Valdez dropping a message.
And Valdez, she has really mastered that, yung drop shots niya. Why? Again, because of court awareness. Alam niya palagi kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola. Always nakikita niya yung defense formation sa kabila.
Yes. And somehow, I'm sure there was training on Friday and Saturday. The 2 days has given her some kind of break also. She's been hurting a hand, a shoulder, variety of... Well, she's been non-stop since the national team played. And they are training, of course, for the SEA Games as well. 19-8 is the count. Early surge by PLDT. Oh, here we go again with Army.
Just too many errors. Remember, in their last encounter, 35 big errors in that game.
Ang bulko nun, service errors, ha?
Oh, ang dami.
20-8. Here comes Jaja, the younger but taller Santiago. Long.
Oh, buti na lang. Pinarik ni Jaja. Sinasabi na Army. Ayan, but actually, back-to-back errors na yun na nanggagaling sa PLDT, galing sa serve.
Doon sa kinover ni Norin at saka ni Noel nung first set, nervyos both sides. Ang dami pa lang first 6 points actually were all service errors
And imagine in that first set, 13-25 ang naging score for PLDT.
PLDT taking only one set. Nice shot.
Robbie De Leon on the top.
Tina Salak telling everybody, don't worry, I'll have one of my own later on. But naunahan ng Army rito.
Yes. Parang nung naging very aggressive ang PLDT, sila naman nagka-error.
Dakis. In the meantime, we have a timeout, 22-9. We'll listen in to Rico de Guzman. Well, that was emphatic. Rico de Guzman telling his team, kargahan natin kung papaluin natin kasi masyado malaki yung score na yan.
Kasi katulad nung huling palo ni Rachel Dakis, mahaba. So not enough pitik. Yun yung sinasabi niya, kargahan nyo naman. So dito sa gantong level na laro, remember it's the championship, hindi pwede palo-palo lang off-speed na madadaling kuwanin ng kalaban.
Kakainin lang ng depensa yan Samantala, Valdez is given a breather by Luan Latigay. In the meantime, Gretzel Soltones and that familiar serve of hers, which is comfortable. And now, Dindin Santiago Manabat on target.
And this is what Army should do. Kunin na nila yung rhythm. Hindi pa nakukuha ni Balse tsaka ni Manabat ang kanilang rhythm, lalo na din sa mga quick hits.
Devanadera is in the game for the first time. One of the staples of Roger Gorayev teams. Ever reliable. Tones getting it through!
Oh, but it's still alive!
I thought it was dead.
Si Coach Roger sinasabi, nahawakan na yung bola, pero until marinig natin yung pito. Oh, and King Balse going for an angle. Getting it to go.
Si Roger.
Natatawa na lang si Coach Roger, kinakausap ang ating referee.
Hindi ba siya makikipag-scorean kay Rico de Guzman? Kasi pag familiar na sa kabila, nag-i-scorean sila Mga tawag na hindi nila makuha. 2 straight points now by Army. Soltones digging it up, but going over. Close to the net it goes, and 3 straight points.
King Balse, this time going to the other side. Kanina, pakanan niya pinapunta. Ngayon, kaliwa naman.
Binalasan ni Roger in line, hoping he could get some rest for Eliza Valdez. But this
Dahil malaki ang lamang.
This 6 has not done the job. And another wasted serve.
Dindin Santiago. Error on the serve.
I think the Santiago sisters have to correct, Pareho sila ng problema. Ruby De Leon on her serve. Santiago lifts it up. Tina Salak gives it to Balse. It returns to sender. It goes to Dakis. Soltones curling around. Nice bump by Balse.
Once again, King Balse all pumped up, getting that swipe.
She has the competitive fire for championship day, She's been through so many wars. 23-13. Sarap pag gusto manalo pa rin
Pareho, nararamdaman natin at nararamdaman ng mga fans. Kaya naman, maganda yung matchup nitong dalawang teams na to.
Tubino to the back row. De Leon makes the adjustment. Surazes is blocked. Kept alive. Becomes a set. Long! No check.
Latigay asking for a check. No go. Everybody actually on the side of PLDT asking for a check.
Hala nila.
Not awarded. So point goes to the Lady Troopers. Pero PLDT, dalawa na lamang ang kailangan para may sarado itong first set.
Dakis just into the net. Back. Buhay pa! Salak tracks it down. Oh, the Vanadera chewed up by the defense, and the set was a bit low.
Yes, correct. It was a bit low because si Ruby De Leon was really trying to make it quick habang wala pa yung depensa ng Philippine Army.
Let's try to listen in to Roger Goroyev. Earlier, it was 23-12 in the last few exchanges. 3 straight points by the Army. They're still far off, down by 8, but knocking at the door. What you don't want to happen if you're PLDT, don't give the Army sufficient ammo to start their attacks. Layo.
Latigay, cross-court hit. Wide. Ito na, binalik na si Eliza Valdez.
Namorsento na si Roger.
Oo. Dahil masyado na madami ang puntos na string up dito ng Philippine Army at lumalapit na.
Lakas kumatok sa pinto ng Army. Sorry. Si Rachel yun, oh.
But Rachel throwing that away.
And it is now set point.
Medyo crucial yun, nakakahinayang for Philippine Army, lalo na humahabol sana sila. Nevertheless,
Bumawi. Pumasok.
Benadera getting an ace to finish this first set.
And as if nothing happened. To Benadera.
Hindi ka papasanay.
Well, I guess I am. And the first set ends at 25-16. We'll check out our Shakey's Shake and Play. We'll take a look, what the service is of De Benadera. And that made it 25-16. Second set awaiting you here in the Shakey's V League just after this.